King here again. Just thought I'd make a quick video for you all. So I'm showing you actually how I make videos. I think it's important to know, and it's so super simple. I'm only going to show you what I do because that's all I know at this point, but let me just kind of jump right into it. I use QuickTime Player because I have an Apple Mac. So when you can download QuickTime Player from the App Store, it's probably already on your Apple Mac, which should make it a lot easier. Once you open QuickTime here, if you go into File and you go to New Screen Recording, it's going to be a bit difficult to do this because I can't really show you, but if you go to new screen recording, it will walk you through. It'll a little pop-up will come up and you literally just hit record and it starts recording. One thing is there is a little drop down that asks you if you want to use your microphone or not. So I'd click yes so that you can actually talk to the video. Once you do that, you just say what you need to say. I think the most important thing here is to be really honest and real and just express what you'd like to get across. So for instance, with Unify, just had a video about that. I just talked about how exciting the products are and how exciting it is to get a position for free in the company during pre-launch. So I think it's really important just to speak to what speaks through you, I guess. Once you're finished, you just end the recording and then you can come into your YouTube channel. And if you go here to create a video or post and click upload video, when you finish with QuickTime, it will automatically save it wherever you select it. And then once you do that, you just select videos, click the video that you want to do, open, and then here you can type a description. Now the most important thing is tags, because that's where people kind of find you. So when you're making a video, you want to have your most important tag words. You want to say those within the first 15 seconds of the video. So for instance, in Unify, I want to say Unify, matrix, position, those types of things, and then I will put those in the tags. Typically I'd put Unify, cryptocurrency, things like that in the tags. I say just play around with it and give it your best go. But once you're done here, all you do is click publish and then it's up on your video or up on your YouTube channel. So it's really quite simple. And I think it's just a really great way to add some traction to your YouTube channel. We do know now that the more unique content that you put up, instead of just uploading videos from the lovely Mike Klingler, if we do our own unique content, the YouTube algorithm really appreciates that. So if you can get anything up, like this video right now isn't perfect and I'm saying a lot and I'm doing things like that, but I'm getting something out there, and YouTube recognizes that and they start to see that you are actually producing something of value and they give you more views. So it's super important to do your own unique content. I'm happy to answer any questions that you may have. Just please feel free to get in touch. Oh, one other quick thing. When you're in QuickTime, and I wonder if I can show you this because I think it's really important. If I go into one of these, I think it's really important to show you how to edit it. Let's see if we can do this. I think we can. Cool. So here we are in a video that I made about Digital World Exchange. And if we go into File here in QuickTime, and then we go into, let's see if it will let me do it. Oh, it's in Edit, sorry. So if we go into Edit, Trim, here we can cut down whatever we need to cut down. So when I did this video, I didn't know how to exit QuickTime Player, so I was like messing around towards the end, if you can see here. And so all we need to do in QuickTime, it's really super simple, is we take this yellow button and it shows you where you're trimming, right? So I'm gonna trim all of this until I get to the end of my video, which was there, about there. Whoop, there. So I can now literally get rid of all of the stuff that I don't need or any kind of bloopers or anything like that. And then you just trim. And that's it. And then it has a nice edited video for you. So it's super simple and easy. And I think anybody can do this, because if I can, anybody can. So please, please, please get in touch with me if you have any questions. All right. Thanks. Have a good day.